QNRX has been trending from time to time, up 3.08%, printed an intraday high of $15.5 in the session of today, the 17th of September, actually in the pre-market session. That intraday high wasn't recorded here. This was as of yesterday, the 16th, at the close of the trading session. So lower prices are expected to keep laying out, going all the way towards Friday, the 19th of September. That's midday Friday the 19th. Even with this weakness you're looking at here, even with this contraction of the expansion, uh, the price pressure momentum on its 10 and 21 period moving average on this 4-hour chart are still robustly bullish. Nothing here is negative, indicating that positions opened all the way back to 84 hours ago and much earlier are still very much intact. Yeah, I think going all the way back to early August, they're still looking strong. So they're offering a buffer for the this contraction that is currently in place right now. So projections are saying 8.73. It's a downward projection. Let's have a look at its daily chart. Underlying trend is a bearish one. Extrapolation is saying that it's going to still remain strong, going all the way towards Monday, the 27th of October. Projections are saying, let's see what we have. We have 8.49, 9.2, 9.63, all upper projections. We have already seen $15.5. So let's see, we could try and validate that projection or see fresh projections on the 1 minute charts later on. Okay, right now, let's see what we have. We have the 10 and 21 day moving averages, they're still in trend mode. However, the second derivative on this 21-day moving average is not looking that good. I think let's see now. This is going all the way back to it. Something may have happened. Maybe there may have been the resistance we are looking at right now may be affecting some of the positions that were opened all the way back to 21 days ago, thereabouts, or just slightly, but rather more of because of the resistance it's been facing. It's just indicating that there's a good chance it may not continue to print higher prices, even though we can see here that higher prices may remain in place. It looks like it might dip slightly by tomorrow, the 18th. So let's have a look at the 1 minute chart. Okay, this is what we have. This should be the spike of the pre-market session. Yeah, it is. And what do we have? We have 10.47. We're trying to see if we can get upper projections. Yeah, $14. Okay, yeah, we have 15.17, 17.65, 19.19. Yes, we most certainly have upper projections beyond $15. Freshly printed. Let's have a look at freshly calculated. Let's have a look at the 2 minute chart. Here we have 19.19 as well. Below that, 17.65, 15.17, then $14. 3 minute chart. $8.92. Okay, we've seen it already. We've seen 19 up to $19. Okay, let's see how active this market is. It doesn't look like a lot of shares have been crossing the tape. It doesn't look like, not very liquid. I think more of aggression, maybe, if anything. But I wouldn't, not really much, because it hasn't 3.22% is not most certainly not the stuff of aggression. I mean, what one wouldn't really say that there is aggressive trading going on, especially with that sort of gain. But indeed, at some point, there was a lot of aggression going here. 15.5 dollars. Yeah, so we could actually get the exact figure we're looking at here. The volume for this session. I think we have it here. We have one point. Okay, we just need to refresh. Okay, it's not exactly fantastically that active as such. We have 1.561 million shares. Not a huge lot so far. Okay, so projections possible to print the highs of around retest $15 or thereabouts. One thing we could equally do is have a look at its market grid and see what the indications are saying. Okay, the market grid. The stock is at 8.48, so it's between it has dropped into its support zone. So there's a good chance it may continue to print lower prices, just as the algos here are indicating. Lower prices going all the way towards Friday the 19th. Yeah, the prospects of testing the lows of 5.63 is there, but maybe not as high as maybe 7.57. But we'll just see how it goes. Yeah. So just be careful out there. This we need to You need to know where this company is incorporated. You need to know where it's incorporated. Yeah, it's not a US stock, and sometimes some companies stocks from from other jurisdictions can be a bit funny. Yeah, so you need to be very much aware and be prepared for what may come your way dealing with QNRX. Okay, so I'll continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.